Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you today. Today, I want to talk about a couple of old school marketing practices that still apply today in social media marketing. So just because social media marketing is relatively new, there's still some old school practices and marketing concepts that still apply and are still very relevant and important today. Number one, for instance, is the importance of being authentic. So I know we don't usually think about people being authentic on social media, and that's kind of the problem. For a business owner, it's very important to be authentic. For instance, there was a celebrity not too long ago who Instagrammed some pictures of himself boarding a private jet and saying that he was on his way to a glamorous location. And then a couple hours later, he was photographed and on a commercial airline. So he wasn't really on a private jet. He was just trying to give that illusion. It turned out that he hired a service that took his picture on a grounded jet, private jet, so that he could give the illusion that he was a lot more famous and a lot more rich than he actually was. This totally backfired on him, of course. So this is an extreme case, but the similar situation can happen to every business owner. For instance, how are you going to build any kind of relationship with your intended audience if you're not comfortable being yourself? Even if you do get them to follow you and engage with you, you're eventually not going to be able to relate to them because you haven't attracted the right people by being the wrong person yourself. So it's extremely important to just be authentic, be yourself, be in alignment with your brand values and your personal values so that you attract the right crowd that you are able to serve with your product or service. And number two, it's to understand very much that it takes time to build relationships in a meaningful way with your target audience. So there's a bit of a misconception that, social media speeds things up, and it does to a certain degree, but it still takes a lot of time, an investment in time and resources. You have to provide a lot of value up front before someone's going to actually trust you as an expert, as someone that they want to do business with. So you have to expect to put into the relationship just as you would before social media existed. And number three, you have to understand that having a relationship on social media or online doesn't replace the face-to-face interaction. All right, social media gives you a lot of advantages. It helps you reach a bigger audience that you might have had access to in the olden days, but nothing replaces having that in face-to-face interaction or in-person interaction, at least calling them once in a while on the phone, talking to them live on the phone or on Skype so that they can see you. That is still very valuable today and isn't going to just replace you engaging with people on social media. Social media enhances these relationships, but it doesn't replace them completely. So that's it for today. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, please subscribe. I put out a new blog article and a new video every week. Until next week, take care.